Every motherfucking day, you gotta meditate. Every day. Just get on top of the highest point you could reach and just crisscross applesauce like you were taught in kindergarten. And make sure you get them push-ups in. See that? They call these the wood bear jungles. We might want to step back, lad. A lot of bear traps. Wow. What you want, asshole? I'm gonna throw him some meat. I'm gonna put my dick in there. Bro, imagine like they got a wild animal loose. Meet me on the other side, bro, in case I need some CPR. Can you give me a fuck? Oh. Get a lot of pussy? Oh, he trying to bite me. Oh, come on. He's too fat for that shit. Motherfuckers eating all the food. These motherfuckers have been caught so many times and now they're in a fucking cage for the rest of their life. Wow, look at that.
We're open on weekends too.
Wow. You're leaving?
Yes.
All right, well, you drive safe, okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
Bye-bye. You think they got a bathroom or she won't let me pee-pee? Fuck. You need a ride?
Oh no, thank you.
If you give me some head, like, you could get inside.
You wish, buddy. Your dick's too small.
I know it's only an inch, but like, at least you get a ride.
You're not a fucking influencer. You're a loser.
I'm the loser. Who's the one walking in the street with a fucking donut pillow? The fuck? I'm the loser. I gotta fucking piss, bro. But this is the only way I can find some privacy. I'm gonna be back. I gotta piss. You think it's gonna blow up? Did I get you? Let's fucking send it, huh? All lives matter, but black lives matter more. You need help, asshole?
No, we're all set, thank you.
You sure I could give you a hand?
Nah, I'm done.
All right, man. You have a good one. All right, so since the guy didn't want help at the store, maybe he wants help when he gets to the crib, so we're following his ass. See if he needs help when we get to the crib. I'm just trying to help out. Dude, this guy's probably tripping, thinking we're gonna rob him. You sure you don't need help with the bags? I'm just making sure, man. If you need help.
I appreciate it.
All right, you sure?
I do it all the time.
You have a good one, okay?
Take care, thank you.
You sure? You sure? There's no butt raping here in this bridge. There's kids around.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you're like here to meet up to like butt rape,
Just hang out, talk to my friends.
there's a lot of people coming in and out trying to do all these freaky little things they call fetish. Like, what is a fetish? Can I ride your bike?
No, I'm good.
What if I give you $5?
No.
20?
You should leave. I'm on the fucking phone. Can you leave me alone? Yo, leave me the fuck alone. I'll call the fuck. Get the fuck out of here, bro.
I just want to like get the like experience, you know?
The fuck you.
We got him. He's running away.
Oh my god, the faggot's running away from you. How scary. Oh!
He has a taser in his left hand.
A taser? Bitch, this is a vape.
I saw the taser, sir, and you tried to sting me with it. Get out before I butt rape you. Yeah, but I'm not gay phobic, dude. Now I got this whole little area all to myself. You see?
Yeah, look at that little fucker.
Come on, man, pedal harder.
Doesn't even know how to ride a fucking bike.
He should have just walked. Like, everybody knows that he walked over here with the bike.
Yeah.
Like, he's trying to like show that he could ride the damn thing. I didn't know he needed concrete. There's this guy over there. He's like, he needs some cement. You know what I mean? Like, he's a pigeon. Yeah, and he's like trying to like meet up for a butt rape. I was telling him, yo, get out of here, and he finally got out. But you're safe now, because I saw you had some kids and I had to come over here. I was driving by and I saw him like moving a certain way, and I was like, oh hell no, we gotta get this guy out of here, you know. You know what's crazy? I'm joking around, but maybe this motherfucker was a pedophile. What's good, everybody? I hope you're enjoying the video. And this week's prank, I'm going to be burping in people's ear. I hope you enjoy this prank. Smash the thumbs up button because it really helps the channel a lot. And we gotta elevate to the top. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
What's going on? Sorry. Everything okay? You scared me. Huh?
On schoolyard.
What's that?
On schoolyard.
Okay, I'm sorry.
On schoolyard.
What's going on? What's going on? I don't understand. You okay? Excuse me. I'm sorry. Do you work here? No. No. My apologies.
On schoolyard.
Scared? Yeah.
He came from behind me. He's like, oh, sir, on schoolyard. I'm like, what? I'm trying to like hide away from him.
Y'all two joking, right?
No. I'm serious. I was standing there.
That's my pop.
Yeah,
No. I don't know him.
No.
Yeah, that's my pop. You see the curly hair?
No, don't play with him like that, sir.
No, I got the curly hair.
Yeah, I know, but don't play like that. No.
He was telling me on schoolyard. I'm like, I know pops
No.
on schoolyard. Yeah.
I don't know him, and he's trying to scare me.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
No, he was talking about he's gonna
No,
vote for Joe Biden. I'm
listen.
like, bro, on schoolyard,
No, don't play.
vote for Trump.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
All right, sir. I'm just law prevention. He's stealing and stuff. I'm trying to make sure he's not like gonna steal. Look at him. He has something in his pocket probably right now. I'm law prevention, sir.
Okay then.
Hey, you can
Oh, you're joking.
That's the store.
Oh, hold on. They're playing games.
go ahead, sir, man. It's
Have a good day, sir.
what are y'all doing?
I'm sorry for the hassle, man. We're just trying to get some videos in. All right, man.
No.
High five. High five. Yeah, man.
Ay, qué susto.
Wait, man. What are you doing? Man? Why are you scaring me? What's happening, man?
I just had to burp.
Why you do this?
I just had to burp. I ate a lot of Taco Bell.
Sorry?
Like, I ate a lot of Taco Bell. And my stomach has been hurting.
Okay, but
I'm sorry.
This is not good, man. Okay? It's not fun. Okay?
It's just that I thought I was gonna throw up.
No,
And
yeah.
I got dizzy.
Okay.
Like-
you put it here and here.
No, I got
No.
dizzy. Like my head. Like it was shaking around and I was like, and then I was like, oh my God, there's a guy here. You know what I'm saying? Look, I'm like, my stomach is like, but I'm sorry, man. You want me to buy you that?
You know who I am? Or who you are? Or do I know who you are? May I help you? You're just gonna sit and stare at me? What? What?
Huh?
What is it? Why do you do that for? Do you know me?
I just want your number, man.
Eh? Do you know me?
You know the LGBT?
Yeah, what's up?
What's up, man?
What are you doing for?
You voting for Biden?
Oh, no, I don't like Biden.
Trump, right?
Yeah, I'm a
Yeah,
Trump.
man. Come on, man. Trump all the way.
Yeah.
I'll suck Trump's dick like right now.
I got a hoodie that says fuck Biden.
Yeah. I have a fucking big ass Ford F-150 and it says fuck Biden all over it. Like I wrapped it all over. Yeah, and it has Biden in the back sucking Trump's dick. That shit is. Everybody gives me honks. Go, 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 go.
What's wrong with you, man?
I'm sorry.
I mean, sorry.
I had to burp. And like, I had like this.
In my ears?
No, I just had this dizziness, man. Just calm down, cunt.
Never do that, man.
No, it won't happen again. I promise, man. Alright.
Okay, just walk away.
Come on, man. I don't want beef,
just
man.
Walk away, man.
Come on, man. So we have to fight for you to forgive me? Alright, let's go, let's go. Let's just slap box. With the overhead. Stop playing.
Don't fucking overdose on us. You fucking idiot.
Oh fuck, dude, fuck. Yo, that thing got me tripping, though. This is a little advice, you know, fate is real. So, it's a little advice for you guys watching right now. If you are looking at yourself in the mirror, trying to be confident in yourself, stop it. Stop it. You know what you gotta do? Go and be confident in public. That's what you gotta do, all right? Cause, listen up, you gotta show the world that you are confident, that you are who you came to this world to be. So all I'm trying to say is stop fucking looking at yourself in the mirror and go be confident out in public. Be yourself outside. Show people who you are. I just want you guys to remember the most powerful thing is creating a gang. A gang of what? Of motherfucking warriors. Tell me who you with and I'll tell you who you are. If you're surrounded around pussies, you're gonna be a pussy. But if you're surrounded around people that are gonna take your back, ride for you, that's who is gonna make you a warrior. Remember that. If you wanna be the best, you gotta be able to outwork everybody. Every single buddy. What does that mean? I don't know, are you a fucking idiot? Why the fuck are you sleeping? Have you reached your goal yet? Have you? One last advice I'm gonna give you guys is that everything is not about you. Stop thinking that everybody's thinking about you. Just be chill and be yourself. For example, there's a freaking truck right here, a mail truck right here, right? I'm gonna go berserk and I'm gonna just take a package that he has in here. He's over there. I got a package right here. Let's go. You see? And you just do stuff like that. I just got a free package that easily. Why? Because you gotta have that mindset, I don't give a fuck, and just go for it, you know? Just go for it. Let's see what the fuck is in this bitch stuff. Dude, what the fuck? Oh, it's one of those toys that you throw in like sticks and shit.
Oh yeah.
Yo. Bro, what the fuck? Oh, I just wanted to see if it'll like stick. You wanna slap me with the dildo?
No, I'm on.
You wanna try? I've been trying for like fucking 5 minutes. Damn, bro. There you go, I found it. The trick is to stop trying because it just has to be in you. So if it's not in you, it's never gonna hit. He looked? He's nodding his head. You can't park there! It likes when I go fast, the dude is getting hot as fuck. Look at that shit.
Bless me, baptize me cocky. Me love you ride and not like jalopy. Put up your pussy like pipe or your jeep. Slap up your body when you're riding my dick. Bless me. Coca-Cola shape and a Pepsi. When you have your something now, take 6. Gonna exeg so me make you come quick.
They're gonna think someone's deadlifting in the back. One more set. Yo, get the little ones too. Everything counts. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, fuck.
Yo, you're such a fucking idiot.
I'm opening up a gym. I thought this was gonna be able to hold it. Grab it.
No, it's just that this basket is not built to hold this weight.
It works. Okay,
To get another cart.
so I think we're just gonna like stack it up and I'll just sit on it. Cause I got up to help him and then the motherfucking thing just said whoop. Oh, watch the toes. Oh, we should have thought of that. You're smart. No wonder you work at Walmart. Do you supervise a block around here?
I wouldn't say so, but I can't say I'm more or less in charge of this.
Oh. Alright, so if I get up, it's not gonna fall?
I can't promise that.
You're a fucking genius, man. Give it to me. Yeah, give me two actually.
Alright.
You gotta use it. But then how do I sit on it?
Oh, you needed to sit on it?
Or I could just do this?
Yeah, the seat is pressure activated, so you can just have to wait on there.
I think the different colors aren't really gonna work in the gym actually. I just wanna get it started up already. But this is just gonna look ghetto as fuck. We got the black, the white, the red and blue with the Arnold weights. But then we got the more modern weights like, I don't know. You work in this department?
I'm not exactly familiar with the weights.
Okay, so like between me and you, like I wasn't here, alright? I'm gonna just leave this here and we just walk away like if nothing happened.
Like what happened?
Like
I don't know what you're talking about. Nothing happened here.
yeah, nothing happened.
Yeah.
Alright. You're a genius, man. You're a genius. Yo, that's that ugly bitch that's been trying to suck my dick. Bye, Warmer. There's someone with COVID in there. Watch out. I just opened this package and look what it was inside. I'm trying to steal packages like from Amazon. Wait. Woo. That's some professional ass shit. Oh, damn. You can't go too crazy with it. Station Munchies. Why not? Orange Dream Slice. This shit is fire.
How about 2281?
All right.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Need your receipt?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to try it again? There you go. You want to try less items?
Yeah.
You want to put these ones back?
Yeah.
1343. Yeah, you're going to have to edit this part out, huh?
No.
No?
This part is funny. Can I get it for free? All right, let me take off something else then. Again?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Is it the system?
I don't think so.
All right, just take these two off. All right, take this one off. Oh, that's my last one.
The last item?
Yeah. Damn. You got 20 bucks?
I do not.
Yo, you got 20 bucks?
No.
Can you slide me 20 from there? I came for a gas station munchies and I came out with fucking nothing, bruh.